Back at it with the Airbnbs out here in Hollywood. Actually, we're in Santa Monica right now. We got Marilyn Monroe right here up on the wall. We got those creepy eyes looking at us. But as you guys are gonna see today, we're going and looking at a few more houses. Don't know how much I can or will show you, but I'm gonna introduce you to our friend and realtor, Graham, who some of you might already know. He's got a pretty big YouTube channel. But I'm gonna kind of bring you along for part of that, show you what we've been up to today. Yesterday was my birthday. I didn't really film that much. We did a lot of different stuff, kind of more so low-key, didn't feel like going out at night in Hollywood. The best thing, and I'm gonna throw in like a little Snapchat in a second or whatever, this company called Bird, it's an app on your phone. These scooters are just freaking everywhere, all through Santa Monica, Marina Del Rey, into LA, there's thousands of them. And people just park it on the side of the road, and you scan the bar, it's like a QR like scanner code, I don't even know what they are. Scan it with the app and you can unlock it and you just, boom, just take off. It's the most insane thing ever. And Abdul, it's what, like freaking 30 cents, no, it's 15 cents a minute to use.
So sick, you guys should definitely check it out.
It's literally like the most insane thing. Like you go ride for an hour, it's like $6. It's like the best, they're so fun. But anyways, we're gonna go jump in the car, head up to Hollywood and grab some food along the way, meet up with our boy Graham, and I'll pick it up over there. And just like that, we are here at Graham's office, it's up over there, but look at this view from this parking lot. It is insane, and I almost just tripped on this thing. But look, this land right here must be worth so much. There's more views over there. This is on Sunset Boulevard. Look, there's 3 G-Wagons in a row, Bentleys, everything. Yo, are we taking Graham's car?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, all right, we're gonna take Graham's car with him. But we'll go, I'll show you his office, got a pretty cool office, and introduce you guys to him. First one of the day, again, do not know how much I can show you. It's up in Beverly Hills. I don't know if a Ferrari can get up this. Neighbor's got the Maserati though. We got Graham in the whip. This should be an interesting one, but I like how the neighbor's got the Maserati and the Mercedes. We got Graham up here, best realtor and
like
YouTube savage right here with 100K. What are you at right now? 108.
108, 307.
Damn. All right, I'm gonna put you on the spot. What's 1 or 2 things for people in real estate with very little money who just want to get cash flow or quick cash, a flip? What's a good way to generate cash with little money?
Working as a real estate agent.
Real estate agent?
It's hard to invest unless you have someone else's money, and it's hard to get someone else's money without any experience. So I would say working as a real estate agent, the easiest way.
Bing, bang, boom.
That's what I recommend.
There you go, you heard it from the man himself.
Like and subscribe.
Let me show you guys the house.
Office spot right out here.
True master here.
Then you have clients come over. You really access it from the street. Go right here. Put that there.
Walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Double doors. This one's alright. Not gonna be showing you guys too much of each house just for when we do decide on one. This one's cool. I'll show you guys this real quick. This is kind of the backyard spot, which is pretty dope. I like how these rocks are actually like a waterfall coming out. Outdoor kitchen and stuff. We're going for more of a modern style and a lot of space because we do work from home. We are gonna be having 1 or 2 other people living in just who are working for us. Then we're gonna get another house for a full team for a couple different things, but this one's cool. I don't wanna show you guys too much. There's a few crazy houses up on that hill, but hopefully you guys can hear me with the water and stuff. This is another room that just comes directly out into the pool. Oh, that's nice. I haven't even been over here. What do we got through here? Office room. That's cool. Another bathroom. Ton of rooms over there. So it's an interesting house. I don't want to show you guys too much. Again, I know I keep saying that, but we're gonna find something. We've been approved for multiple spots, a few penthouses, 2 different houses, I believe. The one house we did want disapproved us, so they said no. The owner actually did directly because of credit, so we might come back at them with the proposal with a co-signer, so that might change it. But other than that, we're gonna look through a few different properties today. I'll show you guys a couple quick snippets of that, and then we'll pick it up later tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera to this, but I have a meeting on a yacht in the Marina Del Rey Yacht Club with a very successful businessman. So that'll be fun, but I'll kind of flash through and show you guys a few of these houses, and then we'll see where the day goes.
Well, it's a great backyard.
Got a Ferrari California and a G-Wagon right there.
Stop filming my car.
Dude, I'm so sorry. Nah, he's got the Mercedes. Business expense. See, that's the way to go. Where's the Rolls? They took it. They're out driving in the Rolls Royce. Oh, Tesla. This has so many nice cars in here. We're just out looking at a few houses. Hopefully gonna set up an appointment for like 1 or 2 more. Trying to be patient, but we want to move in, so got to find the perfect spot first. This right here is the last house we looked at. Got it up here in the Hollywood Hills, kind of in LA. But we're also looking at a few more tomorrow, so still jumping around, trying to be patient. I think we're headed back to our Airbnb right now in Santa Monica. Gonna go rip around some scooters, do some work. We got our content guy, our shooter, is gonna be the full-time live-in the house, up over here in his badass Jeep. We'll say what's up to them. Look at this thing. That's badass. We got the boys, hey! Look at this, you're good, you're not gonna hit it. Ecom gang, look at that shit. Yo, Abdul, give me the address. But we're up in the hills right now. Gotta cruise back all the way to Santa Monica, so catch you guys when we get there. All right, tunnel run, sound clip. Let them crackles off. Hey, this is so sketch with one hand. Let them pops. Pop it off. This is the best business model ever. Like 15 cents a minute to ride and a $1 flat rate as well. Oh, this is awesome. If I move to Hollywood, I'm getting 2 of these. Yo, that is literally one of the sickest business models for those scooters.
Oh, they're making stacks, dude.
Literally, yeah, we found this guy who goes, he comes around and charges them. There's a ton of people who do that. It's like kind of an Uber, but you charge it out here at the beach. But they have 2,500. 2,500. You know how long it took me to find one? They're making so much money.
More, bro.
Yo, this looks so artsy with these flares. Ooh, yeah. But yeah, there's so many little businesses like that popping off making money. That's literally the most convenient, best thing ever. Bro, why is your face on the wall? Are you famous or something?
Yeah. Are you?
It's crazy. All right, out of all the houses we saw today, what's your favorite? They just saw it, I'm editing the video. What is your favorite?
The Zen one.
This one right here, bro.
We can't show it to him. That's a different one.
The Zen one.
The Zen vibe one. That's the one with the crazy views that has all the different spots. I didn't even show you guys much of that one. Insane. Like you walk in, it's just a peaceful, tranquil. There's like waterfalls. The Zen one was definitely cool. It had a lot of little spots. Like you walk in the door, it's in the hills. So like there's kind of people driving and commotion and stuff. But you walk through the door and it's immediately like boom. It's not like Japanese style, but it's like Zen. That whole crazy thing. Like there's waterfalls and just everything. It's super sick. But yeah, we just went out here, as you guys know, looking at a ton of different properties. We've probably gone and toured like a solid 20 or 30. I wasn't able to bring my camera, but I did go to that meeting with that guy on a yacht. He was a connection for my dad's way back in the day, business partners. They used to own some company with a ton of different airplanes, like 30 or something. He's a multi-millionaire here in LA, lived here for like the last 30, 40 years. So definitely a good connection to have around town. Unlike this guy who's like trying to distract me from my video. But we did go meet up with him on his sick boat out at the yacht club, and he invited us to go eat. It's like free food there. We had just gotten food. We definitely shouldn't have done that, but anyways, we're about to head out right now and grab some food. So I might give you guys a little sound clip of how loud this car actually is, see if we can set off some car alarms and have a little bit of fun. Other than that, the day's a wrap. We're gonna be going and looking at, I believe, 3 or 4 other properties tomorrow, and I guess we'll just go from there. So catch you guys while we're in the car. You think we can set off the car alarm next to us?
Let's do it, guys.
I'm gonna keep that in.
No, don't, bro.
Don't fight it, don't fight it. The editor's already made the decision.
Awesome.
It's already edited, you ready? Holy shit, that was loud.
I don't know how.
Oh
These are not new cars, so they don't have alarms.
Why, yeah. Shit, bro.
Oh, you gotta go to a new car? Yeah. All right, let's go stop by one. Who's the target?
What?
That didn't do it. Sometimes it does it. I'm just at 1,000, 2,000 RPM in a parking garage. All right, people can get pissed. It's 1 a.m. We're out here. Oh, let's go get some food. Ended up at the classic 7-Eleven. Always, oh, come when you're hungry late at night. Grab it all, boy.
Healthy?
Very. Oh, 2 for $1.50. They got deals.
Mints,
deals, mints. Musketeers. All right, all right. This is not normally how we eat.
Let's get the gum mints. Do they have the gum mints?
The gum Tic Tacs.
Yeah.
They don't have them here, but major key when they're gum. Oh my gosh, insane. Just cashed out. What'd you guys get?
20 bucks at the gas.
20 bucks. Couple of bucks.
School Arizona iced tea.
Arizona, I spent 15. Oh my gosh. Out here getting rinsed on food as always. That's where I spend almost all my money. Most of it I can write off for taxes, but that's where the money goes. Other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video showing you a little day in the life, whatever you want to call it, with looking for houses. We've been looking for a spot for a while now, last few months actually, but really intensely the last few days. So, oh, they're doing some stuff, but yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, I'd appreciate it if you drop a like down below. And of course, join the family, join the gang by hitting that nice looking subscribe button down below. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the support. Boys, tell them to help me get to 50K. We're so close.
Comment, like, subscribe, buy my merch.
We don't have merch yet. Oh, by the way, it's like 61% of my audience who watches the videos are not subscribed. So that means if every single person watching this right now, it'll probably get, just call it 5,000 views. If every single one of you goes and subscribes who's watching this, we're gonna hit it. So hit that nice looking subscribe button. It's crazy because it's actually free. It's free. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Shh. It's free. It's free. Hit that nice looking subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.